Alright folks, this is my second time at the Sky Circus on Ice in Delavan, Wisconsin. I'm at the Lake Lawn Resort. I've had a busy day. I celebrated a 10-year-old's birthday. I went swimming, just worked out. I spent a lot of time out on the ice. Walked across the lake with my nephews, that was fun. And I got to spend time with one of my nephews flying a kite, learning how to fly one of these professional kites. I didn't do so great. He did really well. I did better than what you're going to see in this video because he has some skills that he needs to hone in the regards of being a cameraman. I'll leave a little bit of the failure of his cameraman skills in here, but I'll put a lot of his wonderful flying skills, which I did not know he had, and he didn't either. The person was very impressed with those skills. Anyway, so check this out. It's going to be a little bit different than the video from last year. You're going to see a different aspect. I think it's more about encouraging young people to do great things and trying things that are new that I hadn't tried before. So I hope you enjoy this. I want to put a link in the description below to the other video so you can see more of a wide range of what's offered here, and it was offered here this year as well. And also you're going to get to see me fly a professional kite, like a real professional kite. I met Gary from the Windjammers, and it was really cool. Check it out. It was a little bit of video, and it was very fun. So I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you in just a second.
Mostly appreciate having you out here. Like this. So bottom of the handles stay forward. Should we do this? Should we have it launch? And you guys up there in the glass hallway see the guys forward? If you guys, you can hold up the flag for us. All right, great. You're on the ground, so now you want to slow one side down. All right, I need some help. Is there anybody else who
slow it down, it's already stopped. How much slower can I go? You can go backwards.
Okay.
So, with your right hand, you keep your left hand up here, your right hand, come down past your side, kick the bottom of the handle back.
Okay. And then pull?
Yep.
Cool.
Taking multiple videos. Where's the kite? There it is.
When you send it flying up there,
Oh, you turn it
all
like
at
this,
once
right?
you're lighter than air.
You do not
You can dance on the breeze.
and you also don't go out here like
Alright, my nephew's going to give it a shot. I don't know, he might have got all fails for me, but we're going to get some wins for him.
They're going to fly another kite ballet, and then Jean Lemaire will take the field. We're glad you're here, and happy 6th anniversary Sky Circus on Ice. This is pretty exciting to be here. QI is ready to go once again, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for QI 4.2.
Up. Connor went out there to do it. Don't fall!
have one kite? No, they don't. In fact, when we fly kites at this kind of level, we fly in very
He just said it took him about 3 to 6 weeks to get where Connor is. Connor is a natural. I can't even believe what I'm watching.
Do a great festival in Milwaukee on the weekend of Memorial Day, the Saturday and Sunday of Memorial Day.
Why you're such a natural,
We
you share
also
a name with
have a
our guy
wonderful
flying
festival.
indoors.
Right.
First weekend in June.
Yeah.
We'll be flying at a wonderful, amazing festival in Grand Haven, Michigan, May 18th and 19th. So we're right there on the beach in Grand Haven.
I spent so much time learning to fly, I didn't realize there was all this stuff going on behind me. It's kind of hard to see with all the snow, but he's controlling these kites. Barely control one at a time. This kid's getting it.
You get into these kites.
Jean Lemire, everybody, from
Montreal.
Jean Lemire. It's like birds flying around. 5 people controlling them. I don't know how they keep the lines from crossing.
go, fire kiting. What'd you guys think?
Really
Pretty
nice.
cool.
Guys, I found the Windjammers and they're gonna let me fly one of their huge kites. Let's see if I can keep that thing off of the ground.
Kiting.
If you would grab the purple one
Uh-huh.
and just the way they're all, the way the red one is, if you just set it up.
Okay.
No. You can fly.
This is fantastic.
Just a few lessons. Keep on right. Yep. Bingo. It's
That's so cool.
looks a lot better when the tails aren't bunched up.
I'm in the middle of the lake with my crazy nephews.
Hi.
Walking across the lake and
The wind's gonna start pulling me.
but it's really fun. Keep walking. Goodbye.
We'll update you later.
Alright, here's proof that we are in the middle of the lake.